up, y'all? Back, Carlos and Kicks here. Got another vid, couple reviews, opinions, little up close shots of ones that just dropped again, re-released, but I got them the first time, so you'll see those, and then the 700 Alvah. We'll unbox those, get a look at them, and tell you what I think about them. These dropped about a week ago on Yeezy Supply, Adidas.com, and I think that was it. Oh, a couple other like random sites that gets them also, but they're cool to glow in the dark. I'll throw some pics up over here of them glowing, and then I'll do some up close shots. I got the all black ones. The original pair of the V3 were the black and white Azale, I think. No, not Azale. I forget what they're called. Hang on. Let me find them.
One eternity later.
Azale, I was right. So the first ones that came out were the white ones, also glow in the dark. I like those a hell of a lot more. The all black I'm not really that into, but let's get into it right here. Is that upside down? That's upside down. There we go. Boom. Got the standard Yeezy 700 box. Alright. And like I said, these glow in the dark. The rubber, like caging part, if you could see it, is what glows in the dark. They don't glow that much. I had to hit them with like a UV light to really get them to pop. Maybe I'll do that for you right now, but let me take a look. And then here's the other one. So they're cool. So my true to size is an 11. I don't always go up. Everyone says go up a half size in the 350 V2s. I don't do that. 11 feels all right. It's a little tight around the toe because I have wide feet, but sometimes I'll just take the insole out and it's perfect, because otherwise it's just, that little tip is just flopping around, which I don't like this area right here. If you go up too big, this size right here is just flopping around, and I'd rather just take out the insole and be good to go. These are way tighter right here in the toe box for me. Again, I have wide feet, and then this part right here, I mean, I don't understand why there's laces. There's no need for them. You have this whole like sock lining part that's super stiff. That's almost not impossible. It's just harder to get into because this just doesn't open up as well. You can't just slide your foot in. What I like is, I don't know if you can see it, this part right here is like a clear mesh see-through. So you could almost, like if you had some wild bright socks, you could almost see through those. I like that. That's probably the only part I like the most on the shoe. There's some 3M hits right here. That's the only 3M as far as I know. Let me take a look. A little flash on this bad boy. Yeah, that's the only 3M, and you can maybe kind of barely see it there. But, I mean, they're cool. They got Adidas hit on the back right there. Standard 700 outsole. The laces are a little more solid. I mean, they're different laces than the V1 700. It's got the same kind of, well, similar shape. I don't know why they even, you could have just really called it a whole different shoe. I mean, the only thing that's kind of similar is maybe the shape from the V1. I mean, the sole itself is different. The outsole is different. The shape of the back, the rear butt that goes up is different. You know, this actually had a tongue with laces. These are my absolute favorite Yeezys of all time. I need multiple pairs always to have. These, not so much. Not really sold on them. These I might hold on to for a while. They're comfortable. I mean, when they're on foot, they're really comfortable. I'll give you guys some up close shots of them. They're just not, I don't like all black shoes. That's really what gets me, you know? All black is just not for me. I like that it glows. It's not that obvious. Let me see if I can hit it for you guys really quick. Maybe I'll do it on the table, but a little UV light here. So I don't know if that camera's probably not going to pick it up, but nah, it's not. But I'll do it on the table here and give you a little maybe up close shot and see, and turn the light off and see if you can see it glow. But they're cool. They're just not. I'm just not sold on them yet. You know, this stiff rubber toe box is really what gets me. It's not that comfortable. This isn't that comfortable to slide into. And other than that, I mean, once it's on foot, it's all right. The outsole itself is comfortable. It's just solid. It's stiff. It's not. I don't think I would buy another V3 unless it was the original colorway, and I would definitely go up a half size. That helps anybody. Next we have the slides that came out. So slides re-released yesterday, the 17th, Friday the 17th. They released in the 3 original colorways and then a new like dark brown colorway. I have from the first release, the resin colorway, which is like a green weird color. They come in a cool, again upside down, Yeezy slide box. A little bit smaller than other boxes, but and it looks just like all the other Yeezy boxes, which I like because the Continentals don't. For some reason, I wish those came in a Yeezy box. They come in like an Adidas box, but still similar everything else. Slide 11. A lot of people hate on these, man, but these are so comfortable. Once you get them on and you get used to it, like this part right here is a little weird to fit in your foot, like arch-wise, but once you get used to it, it's super comfortable. They're a little tight here as well because this is so stiff rubber. So if you wear socks with sandals, it's going to be a little bit to break them in, but they're comfortable. This little weird shark teeth on the bottom. But man, yeah, these are probably the most comfortable slides I have, other than like a pair of Crocs, which are the most comfortable things in the world. These are up there. And then I got the little kid size too, which is cool because it comes in a super cute little kids box. This is a 3K, little mini one. Those are off. I mean, these are just adorable. For the kid I don't have yet. For the baby I don't have, I should say. But I'm gonna try to have a little 5-year-old. I'm gonna try to get her size. I think they're still on a lot of websites. I mean, I don't think I'm pretty sure they sold out on Yeezy Supply. In a lot of the adult sizes sold out. But even when they first released, these sat for a couple of days. The bone colorway sold out first, and then all the other colorways started selling out different sizes. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get. I mean, these are the absolute cutest things ever. I love these. But try to get some for the 5-year-old, and then see if I can get more. They're comfortable, man. I'm gonna keep them for sure. I like those a lot. I mean, I keep them, of course. I've already worn them, but get more later on if they keep dropping them. Oh, this shirt, Forgiven Boutique, have the dopest shirts ever. Had to rock it for the Yeezy review. But I'll give you guys some up close shots now of each of the shoes, probably more of the Alvah, and then go from there. Next, I think I'm gonna do the coming in next shipping. I think I have the Jordan 1s. Court Purples are gonna be my next review. I love those. Those are 100% for me. Straight to feet. Whenever I get to go anywhere, I'm rocking those first. But I'm gonna swap out those laces. Those tie-dye purple laces are not for me. And then I have a couple SBs coming out, so stay tuned for those vids. Hopefully in the next few days I'll drop those, a little review and up-close shots of those as well. And yeah, I mean, guys, let me know what you're thinking. Let me know if you like these. Kind of quick. This is gonna be a little faster because it's just these 2 shoes, and I'm not that sold on those 700s, so I don't really have much to say about them other than eh. But if you guys want to keep watching more, keep seeing more, let me know down below. And please share, subscribe, comment. If I suck, tell me I suck. If you want me to stop. tell me to stop. But I probably won't. Peace.